Hi, it's my career Frank Oceans from Good. There's a pretty big trunk on my Lincoln Town car, ain't it? Big enough to take these broken hearts and put them in it. Now I'm driving around on the boulevard, trunk beating. And every time the cops pull me over, they don't ever see them, they never see them. And I got this black suit on, roaming around like I'm ready for a funeral. 5 more miles till the road runs out. I'm about to drive to the ocean, and I'm gonna swim from something bigger than me. Take off these shoes, swim good, swim good. Take off this suit, swim good, swim good. Got some pretty good beats on this 808 beating. Memory seats I'm sitting on stage. And I would've put tints on my window, but what's the difference? Oh, when I feel like a ghost knows where you see. Ever since I lost my baby, and I got this black suit on.